leave them wearing like that and they look like sneakers.
I know my background might be a whole mess right now, y'all. And I should even be recording because I'm late as hell. But
how you gonna, Alex?
Yes.
If you don't turn that damn camera on. That's what I tell you. Let me go now.
Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna be done in like 2 seconds. I'm not even.
2.
Thomas, leave me alone right now because you're stressing me out. You're stressing me out. Yeah, my baby shower is in like 45 minutes. We gotta be over there in like 20 minutes. Ooh, that's some badass serious stuff. Let me see. I don't wear that socks either. I want black socks.
You know what I'm saying? A little bit of white socks.
I like them better with socks though. My contact is acting up. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna look half the part for this baby shower because my makeup about to look crazy. You're looking crazy. And it's like so many stuff been going wrong, but I still keep trying to be positive. And
you gonna cry?
I was about to cry, but I didn't cry yet.
Don't cry at the baby shower. Cry after. Okay.
I don't cry in front of people. I was about to cry because my sister, she ended up not coming. And I think I'm just gonna like, I think at this point, I don't know. I don't know if it's the pregnancy talking, but it's like everything that I told her would happen. And I told her to go about something differently. She didn't do it. So now it cost me a lot because she was supposed to set up and do all of that while I get ready and whatever. Like she was planning the whole thing. And now she's not even here. So I had to get up early to go get the desserts. I had to do all the, what's that thing called? Party favors. Mind you, I'm up last night doing all this stuff till like 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. And it's aggravating because it's like, damn, like, because I had to do all these things this morning. Okay, I think that's it for my eyebrows. Because I had to do all these things this morning, I couldn't get ready on time, and now I'm getting ready now. So, and I'm kind of annoyed by that because it's like, she does a lot of selfish stuff, and I've talked to her about that already. Like, I'm like, bro, you, like, my contact is not cooperating, guys. I'm the type of person that goes all out for whether it's family, friends, like I'll do what I have to do. Sometimes even if it's gonna take me a little bit of time to do it, if I promise you something, I get it done for the most part. And with her, this is not the first time that she's let me down, like where I need something and it's always a problem, or last minute she want to change her word, or she just, you know, she's not, I don't know. I don't want to speak too much on it, but I'm going to show y'all this makeup look while I tell y'all about this disaster planning of a baby shower.
What's it my fault?
It's never your fault. It's never the men's fault, guys. I already messed up on my eyebrows. Every time I'm doing something, I have something important to do, my eyebrows never come out right. But when I do them, just to do them for like a video or just like to sit down and talk with you guys, that's when they come out perfect. It never fails. This is gonna have to be just okay because I was supposed to do foundation, but I don't even think I'm gonna do that. My eyebrows don't even match. They're sister wise right now. Okay, so the first thing that went wrong was, what was it? I couldn't find a dress. I could not find a dress to save my life, y'all. I'm not sure why I couldn't find a dress. I don't know if this is maternity photos and pregnancy season. I don't know, y'all, but I could not find a dress. So I was struggling, looking online. Then finally I went to some stores. Now I have a dress, but I'm not even completely happy with the dress that I have. So that's another thing. I'm just like, it is what it is. Ow, I put concealer in my eye. It's not ugly, but I feel like it's just too much for the type of baby shower that we're having. But I guess I'm supposed to be the dramatic looking one. I was going to do foundation, but I already know what's gonna take me the longest is lashes. People are blowing me up right now, and this is not the time. Like, now I'm just gonna put my lashes on first, because I know that's what takes me forever. Put on some lashes, and then eyeliner, eyeshadow, and then I'm done, y'all. But then I'm gonna go into my hair. That's what this video is supposed to be. Hair review. I think it's called Ali Panda hair. And y'all, I can't say no good things. I can't say any good things about the hair yet, because there's been so much bad things, and I have not experienced the good yet. So for now we're stuck on the bad. The good would have to come when I take these curls down and see what my hair looks like, to see if it could at least hold the curl. What I will say though is that they have really good customer service, but so far I'm gonna show you guys videos. The lace would not bleach. You're supposed to send me a 13x4. They sent me a 4x4 with a little bit of edges. Okay, so this lace was supposed to be a 13x6, but the seller got it wrong, because as you can see, there's no lace on this side, like barely anything, just like little baby hair, like barely anything on this side. So it looks more like a 4x4. So I'm gonna reach out to them and see what they say, and I don't know how soon they could get me another wig out, or if this is gonna work. But this is what the lace looks like, and it's a body wave, 26 inch. But I don't know, I'm just finding out because I just opened the package. It was still in its packaging. Jesus Christ. This is my deep wave lace wig, and you see how the 13x4 goes all the way to the sides. Like, it's thick all front. The whole front is thick, and I purchased this from them. Hold on, y'all. Okay, that didn't take that long. Let's see what this other eye gonna give me. This is my favorite color in the e.l.f. liquid shadow. And it's almost done. I'm glad it's not done before the baby shower, because I would have had to settle for next best. But I'm loving this right now. I might top it off with a little something if I can find it. Alright, y'all know the weakest part of my makeup is always my eyeliner, so don't do me. Yeah, one of my plexi rods came out. I'm gonna do some light baking and then we're gonna head out. Cause I'm all done. Now let's take out these damn plexi rods. Okay. Alright, the curl's not bad, y'all. Y'all, I'm in a rush. Alright, I don't have any more things in my hair, but we are gonna have to. I'm gonna run my fingers through it. Just so y'all know, you may not get a proper outro for the video because I'm late. So the next video is going to be clips of the actual baby shower. But surprisingly, this is what could hold a curl. Really well. Really well. So I'm loving these arm curls. They looking good. I'll insert some picture for you guys at the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified. And don't forget to tell a friend, tell another friend, so that friend come back and watch me. I know I ain't say much. This video is all over the place. But I just wanted to be able to record a get ready with me, a baby shower get ready with me, and give y'all a review on this hair because I didn't get to do the unboxing for you guys because it was off. But I'll see you guys. And oh, y'all want to see the edges? I forgot about that. My hair was done by, I think her name is Marilita Cheetah on Instagram. I'll put it here on the screen. What lace? She did an amazing job, y'all. And when I say amazing, because this unit was a struggle. Like I told y'all, the knots wouldn't even bleach. Like it was a lot. So she did an amazing job. So, like I said, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button to be notified. And until the next one, deuces. Carlita did a great job.